The Bridgeport manual vertical mills are primarily used for freshmen and sophomores, as well as manual lathes and grinders to practice manual machining. The manual grinders are used for surface grinding to achieve finer surfaces on parts and bring down material that is unwanted. In the junior and senior classes, students will also learn how to use the automatic grinder. In the Manufacturing and Engineering program at Ferris.edu, students will receive a ground-up learning experience where they will learn how to set up, run, and program the machines in the lab. In the junior and senior classes, the Herco 3-Access CNC machine is where students will learn how to program and run the machine. A CNC machine is a computer-controlled machine that is used for cutting material to your desired shape. The Herco 5-Access CNC machine allows students to get all angles of the part they are working on.